I'm gonna try to explain what happens when an AEM page is loaded. What happens in the background. I'm gonna need some example to show it on. Let's see what we have here. Okay, I'm gonna pick this example, sleek insulated coat. First, we're gonna find this page on CRX. This page is gonna be in content, we retail, language masters, English, products, women, coats, and here it is. Sleek insulated coat. As you can see, its primary type is page, and we're gonna check what's here in GCR content. And what's important to notice here is the reference to template. So here we can see the location of template. Conf view retail settings VCM templates product page. So when this page is loaded, it knows which template to use because of this reference. Now we can go to template to check it out. Here it is, product page template. And what's interesting about this product page template is that it has a template type. It's a custom template type. It's inside this folder, template types, and it's called empty page. We can check it out here. Let's see, here are the templates and here are the template types. So here would be our empty page template type. So yeah, by this reference, the template can load the structure and initial content of the template type. And the page has a reference to template, so the page can load the structure and initial content of a template. Template also has references to policies. Let's check out some of them. Okay, we can see that the breadcrumb component here has reference to this policy. View retail, components, content, breadcrumb, view retail, product page. So this policy is going to be here. Inside policies, view retail, components, what does it say here? Content, breadcrumb, view retail, product page. So this is the policy that will be used, and it's accessed by the reference from template. So yeah, this template provides us with policies, template types, so it provides initial structure and initial content. But we also have components inside the page itself. We can check them here. So we have components like breadcrumb, product, responsive grid, and the components have components inside them too. So what the page will do is gonna go through each of these components, and all of them have a resource type. And the page is gonna find, by this reference, by resource type reference, they're gonna find the HTML file for the corresponding resource. We're gonna pick product because product is it's custom resource, so yeah, we're gonna pick that. You can see its resource type is inside we retail component structure product. We can find it in the apps folder. Just let's collapse this. Go to the apps folder. Let's check out we retail. We have components, structure, and product here. So this HTML is going to be loaded in the place of product component. This HTML also has appropriate CSS and JS file. The way this, let's say, product view, this HTML is going to access the product model is by this. So in core, we're going to have this product model. So the page is going to use HTML from each of its components, and those components are connected to the models inside OSG bundle. To sum it up, we have a page. The page has its content. The page has a template, and it consists of many components. The way page can connect to a template is through reference inside the page, and the way it connects to components is to references towards component views. Templates have references to template types, if they have a template type, and references to policies. And component view has reference to component model. So all these things together are used to make up a page once it's loaded.